Welcome to an in-depth overview of Pickle Finance, the DeFi platform that revolutionizes how you maximize your crypto assets. At first glance, the site impresses with its intuitive interface, designed to help users navigate yield farming and staking effortlessly. Once you connect your crypto wallet, a full suite of tools becomes accessible to optimize your holdings. Explore the robust selection of jars, which are pools designed to enhance yield through innovative farming strategies. Each jar is paired with an in-depth performance report, allowing you to analyze potential returns and risk factors before investing. Pickle Finance's DIL system offers additional rewards for users staking their Pickle tokens, unlocking governance rights and enhanced yields for the committed investor. As you explore these features, keep an eye on the fee structures, which are transparent and fair, making the platform appealing even to those new to DeFi. Before diving into your first investment, remember that decentralized finance involves risks. So start with small amounts and monitor your portfolio regularly. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. After familiarizing yourself with Pickle Finance's features, you can interact with its governance model. Users can propose and vote on updates to the platform, providing a sense of community and shared purpose. To start earning, select a jar or staking pool, approve the transaction, and watch your crypto grow. Don't forget to explore Pickle Finance's detailed documentation for further insights on how to maximize returns. The site is constantly evolving with new tools and strategies, so stay tuned for updates. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and join the journey of earning passive income through DeFi.